Welcome to my YouTube channel Rajka Kitchen, and today I'm making for you guys homemade naan. I already make the dough, and now dough is already proof, and I'm going to be add the first that video when I'm making the dough. Then I'm going to show you how to I'm going to make the naan. Let's start our homemade naan. Now let's start our preparation for the naan. And half cup warm water and 2 teaspoon yeast and 1 teaspoon sugar for 5 minutes, let them proof, and then we're going to add our all the other ingredient. Now let's add our other ingredient. Now we had to add 3 tablespoon oil, and 1/4 cup of yogurt, that means 4 tablespoon. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 egg. Today I already before I break it, because last time I think 2-3 times when I break the egg, there's 2 yolk in each one. Half teaspoon salt and 2.5 cup all-purpose flour. Now we're going to make the soft dough that I'm going to show you guys. I think we need 2 more minutes, and after that I'm going to cover and put it in the warm place. When it's going to be double size, then we're going to make our naan. Now see how this now when it's going to be all the way so double or triple its size, we're going to start making our naan. I'm going to put that one in inside my oven. Still a little more time. I think 1 more hour, then I'm going to make the naan. Let's start our naan. This one is like a 2.5 cup, and I'm going to be make the 8 equal size portion for our naan. And this just put it on the side. Like this way. If someone which one is few is a big or few small, that's okay, because this is a good part. We are making a homemade, we don't have to make the perfect size. They're going to look beautiful no matter what. See, now I'm going to cover with the wet paper towel and going to start making. See, like this. And my tawa is already, I put it on the low heat. Let's start. Now over this side we're going to put little water. Very low heat. Slowly, slowly, you're going to see the bubble going to become. See? You don't have to be like, look, my heat is very low. Because if going to be medium or high, then the other side going to be like you cook so fast, and from the inside the naan is not going to be cooked. Let little more this all thing come up, then I'm going to be turn the my tawa upside down. I will show you. Look, naan looks so beautiful. Let's make more. Look how beautiful they look and how soft they are. See how soft. They look so delicious. You see? Now for this one I'm going to put little crushed garlic on it, and this way is going to be the garlic naan. My yummy naan is getting ready. In this one I put little crushed garlic on that one, and now I'm just going to put little butter. How beautiful they look. And this one is garlic. I put the little garlic and the onion seed on it. And now let me put little water on the back. So this way is like, look like we are making on the tandoor. People, when they put inside the tandoor, they put the other side little water. Okay, that side is gonna be stick with the clay, not come off very fast before, like, cook the roti or paranthi, whatever we're cooking in the clay oven. That's why they put the little water on that one. And you have to use the non-stick one. But I don't have the non-stick tawa. That's why it's not sticking. Before I have the iron kind of, and that one is like perfectly work like that. That's okay. We got what we need. Look how beautiful this one look. I put little garlic and a little onion seed. And this one is with the garlic, and they are all three of them with the plain naan. Perfectly cooking on the other side too, not burned, not uncooked. Everything is now I finish all of my naan. Now only this one is almost cooked and this one left. We can make the 8 naan for 2.5 cup. If you make the dough early in the morning, it's ready for naan. Your naan going to be ready for the lunch time. We done. I'm going to serve them with my butter chicken today. But you can use with a chana masala or matar paneer, dal makhani, anything you like. My yummy naan is ready. Look how beautiful they look. Thank you for watching my video. See you guys soon. Bye.